Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the power supply unit, unlatch the side cover and slide the cover off the system. Unlatch and remove the front bezel. Identify the powered graphics card and disconnect the cables. Remove the latches and lift the card out of the system. Find the power supply unit and disconnect the cables. Remove the 3 screws and lift the PSU out of the system. To reinstall the power supply unit, place it back in the system and install the 3 screws. Reconnect the cables. Place the powered graphics card back in the system and relatch it. Reconnect the cables. Relatch the front bezel and side cover to the device. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.